Imagine buying glasses without ever checking your eye power. Sounds risky, right? Well, the same goes for hearing aids. Many people ask me, can I buy a hearing aid without a hearing test? Let's break it down today, and I will also share how Hearzap makes this journey super simple. The question technically, yes, you can buy a hearing aid without a hearing test. But the real question is, should you? Think about it. Hearing loss is different for every person. For some, it's trouble with high pitched sounds. For others, it's struggling in noisy places. A hearing aid has to be tuned exactly to your ear's needs. Without a test, you're just guessing, and that can lead to frustration, wasted money, and poor results. Why the hearing test matters? A professional hearing test tells you how much hearing you have lost, which frequencies are affected, whether it's one ear or both, and most importantly, which type of hearing aid is right for you. It's like getting a roadmap before you start your journey. Without it, you're driving blind. Where Hearzap comes in. Now, here's the good news. Hearzap makes this process super easy. You don't have to hunt for a center or wait weeks for an appointment. With Hearzap, you can book a professional hearing test right from your phone at a center near you. And once your test is done, the experts will guide you through choosing the perfect hearing aid tuned exactly to your needs. No guesswork, no confusion, just clarity. So, can you buy a hearing aid without a test? Yes. Should you? Definitely not. Your hearing is too precious to leave to chance. Download the Hearzap app today and book your free hearing test. Take the first step towards hearing life clearly again. Don't just buy a device, get the right solution for you.